What's up, guys? Here we've got the brand new Petzl just came out, and there are some big significant differences between this the old one. And I've loved this old one. I've used it for a couple of years. Notice none of the writing or anything has come off. I mean, it's just a great little light. But it has this elastic here I used to wrap around my hammock, and I'm still going to take it with me because it's so light. But now it comes with a little wider strap, which is a lot more comfortable, is what it comes with. But it comes with more than that. The biggest difference is you'll see right off the bat in this is that the lights are different, as you can see here. Okay? But behind the door here, it's got the little man for the SOS symbols that was on this one. This was actually molded right into the plastic. And the settings are pretty simple. Basically, we start off at a lock position so it doesn't come open. And then when we start moving it, it hits off first. And then our first setting is, which is 15 lumens at 6 meters, and it says it'll last 12 hours is what it says. Our next highest rating is the 50 lumens, which is a lot brighter than what the other one used to be. And good for 10 meters and good for 9 hours. And of course, then we've got our blinking light, and then our blinking red light, and then our solid red light. And if we go again, it's off again. So if I know I'm going to get up in the middle of the night and I don't want to wake people up, I leave it at the off on that side instead of this side. So that way when I pull down, it comes on. And I'm not waking anybody up. Now something really cool they've added to this, and literally they've added this piece here to it. And this is more than just a clip. And what it is you push this red thing in, and that'll slide up and down your strap there to tighten and loosen it. But at the same time, it's a whistle, guys. And I didn't blow it all that hard. So you've got a whistle attached right to it, really easy to use. Now at the same time, you see this red thing that presses in and out? Well, you go to the back, and that's where the battery is. Okay? You're going to push that red thing in the battery and just turn it left, and then it pops open. It takes two CR2032 batteries. The other one took the same batteries. They just drop in with the plus side up. And then to put it back together, there's a little arrow actually on here. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. I'll try and turn it gently so you can. Right about there. And the arrow just drops in there. So you really cannot mess this up for putting it back together. Once you get it inside the hole, simply put the red thing back in, press down and turn, and now it's together. So they're pretty much almost the same weight, which I found interesting. Like, I'm thinking, well, how did they get so much more weight when they've got a whistle and a wider attachment compared to the wire attachment on this? But what I did notice was the new one's a lot thinner than the old one is. So somehow, this extra weight that was up here, I don't know why they had all that extra weight up there. There's nothing in there. So they took some of that off, and then they were able to add a little bit more to it. So you're getting more lumens. You're getting a whistle. You're getting your tool attached to it to remove the batteries and add the batteries. And again, it moves all over the place just like it has before. Very happy with this purchase. I mean, you can see the differences here. I just love these lights. This is the Petzl e+LITE. You guys would like to pick one up, I got the link in the bottom. You can pick it up on Amazon where I got it. These are great for bug-out bags, get-home bags, hiking bags, having one around the house, throw it in the drawer, near the phone for when the lights go out. I mean, these are just awesome. Put them around your wrist, put them around your neck. Yep, you heard me. Put it around your neck. And wear it like a necklace and tighten it up like a choke chain, whatever you like. This strap is really, really soft to do that with. Put it around your wrist if you want and hold it out like Star Trek. But one thing for sure, you're always going to need a light around the house. Everybody loses electricity. So having these around the house is a must, or like I said, in your get-home bags or your bug-out bags. Super, super light, guys. I mean, they're saying it weighs in at 0.92 ounces. I think when I weighed it in, it was 0.9 ounces. So that's what this particular light, and that's without it being in the case. I mean, when it's actually in the case, it weighs a little bit more, but I don't know if I'm fussy in this case. Maybe this case could be used, put some fire starter in there, cotton balls, whatever. I'm not completely sure I'm fussy on this case yet. Because it is good for -1 meter, which is like 3 feet underwater. IPX7 waterproof. I mean, literally you can wear it in the pouring rain and it should be fine. I had my old one, I wore this in the pouring rain. I mean, just torrential downpours, and it's always worked. It's never failed me. I mean, I can't say enough about this light, to be honest with you. Okay, that's the highest setting with that one. And I'll see if I can do the highest setting with this one and you'll see the difference. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up or not. Okay, but there is a big, I can see the difference. I mean, it's literally, I'd say triple compared to the other one. Anyhow, guys, if you want to pick up one of these lights yourself, the links will be in the bottom. You can pick one up Amazon. And this way, you're not going to be left in the dark. Catch you guys later.